Hey there! So glad you are interested in diving into Azure's network domain. Azure is this incredible cloud realm where businesses manage thousands of dollars in infrastructure costs, right? Now, envision setting up a fortress within this digital expanse, and you've got Azure Virtual Networks. These are your high-speed, secure data corridors right inside Microsoft's cloud. They are essential, especially for businesses handling sensitive data and maintaining robust security measures. Let me give you a rundown, or should I say dive through, on the importance of laying down a solid groundwork for Azure VNets. A sound virtual network setup doesn't just protect against cyber threats but also ensures the smooth expansion of workloads as your business needs grow. It's like having both roots and wings for your network architecture. Now, diving right into it. At its core, designing a secure and scalable Azure VNet hinges on understanding Azure's offerings. Think Azure Virtual Network, VNet Peering, and Azure ExpressRoute, just to name a few. A robust strategy starts with identifying the right services to leverage for security and reliability, and that includes stuff like Azure Firewall, Azure Load Balancer, and even Azure DNS for name resolution. Let's start with a touch of Azure Firewall. It's an integrated, managed cloud-based network security service. It's like the vigilant bouncer to your network, monitoring IP flows both leaving and entering your service's boundaries, ensuring only those you vouch for have access. Next on our checklist, the Azure Load Balancer helps distribute traffic evenly across instances. It's a lifesaver during traffic spikes to avoid any digital DDoS attacks. And if the internet hiccups and Azure's data centers face an interconnection delay, Azure ExpressRoute comes to the rescue, connecting you directly to a business network across Microsoft's global peering network without data traversing the public internet. Azure VPN gateways connect your on-premises network to your Azure VNet. It's like a bridge, but with more checks and balances, ensuring secure on-premise to cloud connections. And because names and IPs get jumbled up all the time, especially when scaling at lightning speed, Azure DNS streamlines this process, ensuring your network peers don't get lost in translation. Now, to the meat and potatoes, designing it all to work together without any hiccups requires meticulous planning. Imagine setting up puzzle pieces, where every piece has to perfectly align without leaving any gaps or overlaps. This starts with a keen comprehension of your expected scale and the sensitivity of your data. Security-wise, lock everything down from the ground up. Leverage security groups and network security groups for granular flow control. And remember, deploy Azure Bastion for managing remote desktop sessions to Azure, ensuring secure access without the need for bastions manned on-site. Scalability must be baked into your design. Opt for elastic resources with the ability to auto-scale with demand, while virtual machine scale sets are like farms, efficiently managing pools of identical compute resources with one-click automation. To ensure everything runs without a hitch, put reliability at the forefront. Azure Site Recovery is where your backups and disaster recovery plans will be orchestrated, ready to be deployed if the unexpected strikes, keeping business operations resilient against any potential threats or outages. And let's circle back to making it all look effortless. With Azure's intelligent deployment model, like the Azure Blueprints, roll out this carefully crafted virtual landscape quickly, ensuring that as you add more resources, your network morphs gracefully, an agile yet secure environment for growth and expansion. Finally, remember to continuously optimize and audit your network's performance using Azure Monitor and Azure Security Center. maintaining a vigilant watch on your digital territory and ensuring that it not only stands strong against the shadows but also outsmarts them on its own digital battleground. Phew, there we have it, a deep dive into designing a Azure virtual network that nervously but firmly stands guard, allowing your business to expand and thrive without compromise. Remember, Azure is only as effective as your understanding of its powerhouse capabilities. So, get familiar, stay informed, and don't shy away from asking questions or reaching out to more experienced architects for guidance. For more wisdom spills, make sure to visit neeraj.qzza at my website and hit that subscribe button to catch all the latest from TechLab. There is nothing like continuous learning to keep you on top of this ever-evolving field where your skills are your biggest currency. Until next time, keep innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with Azure. Visit neeraj.qzza.io and subscribe to TechLab.